Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Adrienne and I post videos about outfits, travel, lifestyle, and everything else in between. For today's video, I wanted to post about one of my newest acquisitions. I've been on the hunt for an everyday neutral bag for approximately 3 years now. I have a camel carry-on tote that's perfect for work, but it's a bit too bulky for everyday activities. On the other hand, I do have summer bags, but it doesn't really match and go with all of my daily outfits. If you've been following me and you've watched all my travel vlogs, you know that I frequently visit designer stores. Unfortunately, there's not a lot of neutral bags that have caught my sight. That is, until I saw this top handle bag in reality. This is the Boyy 23 in Beach Linen Sienna. It's from the accessories brand Boyy. I would say this is one of the newer contemporary brands that launched in the 2000s. This bag is currently available in 13 different colors. The one I have here is in Beach Linen Sienna, but it's really a color block of camel, and you have an ivory and burnt orange. It's in smooth palmetto leather. Many brands have iconic and signature bags. With Chanel, it's a flat bag. Dior, it's the Lady Dior. The Boyy bag, it's this distinctive large belt buckle. This buckle is actually adjustable, and I've seen pictures of people loosening up to have that more lived-in casual feel, but I like this structured appearance. I feel as if it's more refined and polished if I keep it as such. So this, as you can tell, has twin carry handles on top, but it also comes with a detachable shoulder strap here. I personally think this is way too flimsy for the size of the bag, but for anyone who's curious, this is adjustable. As you can see here, brand signature here, it says Boyy. I believe it says on both, yes. So it says Boyy on both. And the interior of the bag does have a location for the buckle. So it has these two metal hooks on either side, so we can hook this. But if you can see, just for reference, this bag is pretty big and bulky, and this is just so flimsy in comparison. One of the things I often look for in bags is I want to ensure that it's secure. I travel quite often, and I don't want to give any thieves the opportunity to pickpocket out of my bag. So when I first saw this online, I didn't really look through the details, so I thought it was just an open tote, but I found out that it actually has this cover. This is Boyy, the name of the brand, and then it has this hook which latches onto that, so it makes it really secure. I like this little detail because the thought of carrying something like this with an open top, it's a little nerve-wracking because anyone can just reach in and take your belongings. I don't want people to see what I'm actually carrying. I want to be able to conceal what I carry with me. Even though there's a hook and eye closure, it's really easy to open, so you just unhook it and then you're in the bag. Dimensions of this bag is 7.1 in height, 9.3 in width, and then 5.9 in depth. So the handle drop is 3 inches. For the strap drop, the adjustable one, it is 22 inches. This video really doesn't do this bag justice, but I wanted to attempt to show you the finer details of this bag. The top has a metal hook and eye clasp that protects all your belongings inside. You can see there's a zippered compartment in the back and an open compartment in the front. The interior is lined with Soleil colored suede, which is equivalent to mustard. This bag also has 4 metal feet. Although this bag can hold many items, I would still consider it compact. I think this is a great size bag. They do have a smaller version, but I thought it was just too tiny. I love the unique color. I like how it's very distinctive, and oh, I just realized that the back of the buckle has suede lining as well. But I really like how it's not very common. You don't see this on the streets a lot. It's still luxury. It has that luxury feeling to it. And I see myself wearing this a lot in the summer. Overall, I think it's an amazing looking bag. I don't exactly carry a lot whenever I go out. I just need my necessities. I used to be the person that just tossed everything in my bag, especially when I was a student. But as I matured, I really just need a few things. It only gets really bulky when I know I'm on the move. My battery may run out my phone, so I bring my external charger. Again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.